Over the past few months, we've been working on a new app to help creators make more money with their Facebook pages. And it's been a game changer. And I'm not the only one just saying that. In fact, my client Josiah said, what would have taken me hours takes me a few seconds now, and the winners just keep winning. Over 1.5 million views on this with $270 in monetization and still growing. I'm so grateful for the Repost HQ tool, game changer for real. You might be wondering, what exactly is this Repost HQ tool and how does it work? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you why I built this app and why I believe this is definitely going to help creators make more money on Facebook. Now, this app is still in beta phase and we've been testing this app across multiple Facebook pages and the results have been amazing. As you can see on this screenshot for this post, we did 18,000 likes on this one post, multiple millions of views. We also got close to 14,000 likes on this one, multiple millions of views again, and this was all posted in just a few seconds from inside the Repost HQ app. This is a tool that we built using the Facebook API. This means that it actually connects safely and securely to the Facebook API system, and we're able to pull all the data from your Facebook page inside of this app. So Repost HQ is a tool designed to pull all the data from your Facebook page into one place where you can easily view what are your best and top performing content based on the format, and also easily allow you to repost anything you want to your Facebook page in a matter of a few seconds. So as you can see right here from the post section, we're able to see exactly what are the shares, the comments, the reactions, the views for our posts. We can easily just sort by the number of views, and we can basically pull all the data from all the posts inside of our Facebook page, and we can easily see which of our posts are actually getting views so that we can create similar posts or basically use those posts again in a future post in what we call reposting. But this is a tool designed specifically for reposting. Facebook allows you to make money from existing content over and over again. This means that if you have a top performing post, you can repost that post again in a future date and continue to make money from that post. This is something that only Facebook allows you to do. You can't really do this on YouTube or any other platform. You can't just make money from the same content over and over again. But using Repost HQ makes it extremely easy to see exactly what is working and quickly repost it again, and even save your best performing content in what we call the winners list. So for example, for this post right here, you can see that it has a label called repost. So now essentially we know that this is a repost, and if we click on this post, you can see that it tells you all the data from this post. It tells you exactly when it was published and gives you all the information about this post individually. It tells you how many impressions it got, how many clicks, how many people share the content, all of that stuff. But one of the most difficult things that you had to do on Facebook was to know exactly when was the last time that you reposted something. Keeping track of all of that made it a real hassle because you needed a way to know when can I repost my stuff again. So that's why inside of Repost HQ, we have a last repost column. You can see here when was the last time that you reposted a specific post, and it tells you exactly the date, time, and all of that information. So you know that you're not posting something that perhaps you posted last week and you accidentally posted again the following week. And it even keeps track of the number of reposts that you have done for that specific post. So for example, for this one, we know that we have reposted this one time, and the last time that we reposted this was 1 month ago. So this means that we can technically repost it again if we wanted to. Now, if we wanted to repost this video, one of the things that we would have to do is go inside of the Meta Business Suite. If it's a short video, meaning there's a video that is 15 seconds, sometimes Facebook doesn't let you repost those type of videos. So you simply have to download the video, re-upload it again to Facebook, go through the process of scheduling that video through the Meta Business Suite, which usually takes you about maybe 3 to 4 minutes to do. But with Repost HQ, we solve that issue completely, because we can essentially, with a single click, we can either repost it now or we can schedule the repost for a future date. I'm going to show you exactly how easy that is. So if I go right here and I click on this little repost icon, I can just change the description if I want to, or I can just go and schedule the post, and I can select a future date for this post. So for example, I can say that I want to schedule this for April 6th, and I can say that I want to schedule this at 11 a.m. just to give you an example. So if I click on reschedule, you can see that now we have a little label saying this post has been scheduled, and we know that now we have a post that's going to be reposted again and scheduled on the page. That's it. That's all it took. No downloading of your videos, no re-uploading, not going through your Meta Business Suite and having to schedule things again and doing all this process. We did that in just a matter of 5 seconds. Now, we also made it extremely easy to save your best performing posts, and this is truly a game changer because as you post more content inside of Facebook, you start to notice things, you start to notice posts that are performing really well, and every single time you repost them, you essentially get a lot of views or you tend to make more money. And so that's why we built what we call the winners list. And the winners list is essentially a list of your best performing content and your best performing content that you can go back to and repost again anytime, because anytime you repost those posts, you essentially know that you're going to get a lot of views and more than likely you're going to make more money. So we can take any video, for example, this video right here, and we click on this little star and we can say, okay, so this is a high engagement video. This is a viral video for us because it got over 1 million views, high share video, high RPM, or high revenue video. For the sake of this example, I'm just going to select a viral video. And just like that, our video, our post has been added to our winners list. Now, let me show you the winners list and how exactly it works. You can see the winners list is our best performing content. This means that posts that have maybe a couple 100,000 views, maybe videos or posts that made us a lot of money, maybe videos that have a lot of engagement. And we built this winners list, and the bigger the list, the more posts that we can go back to and select whenever we want to increase our revenue for our Facebook page, because we can essentially pick from our list and keep track of exactly when was the last time that we reposted this best performing post and essentially repost them again and schedule them again. So if you see here the last reposted date, and we can see the days since we last reposted this post. So essentially you can see that, for example, this one 31 days ago, and it has this schedule. So we already scheduled this one because essentially it's been 31 days since we reposted this one post. You don't want to be reposting your stuff too frequently. You want to wait at least 30 days or 60 days before you repost anything. And this is why the bigger your winners list, if you have 100 posts, 200, 500 posts, you can pick from these top performing posts and you can know exactly when was the last time you reposted them, and you can schedule them again on your Facebook page. Now, we can also sort by basically all types of formats. So if we want to basically sort winners by whether it's a photo or whether it's a video, we essentially have that option here. We can also sort by what are the labels or the tags for these type of posts. Is it a high engagement? Is it viral? We can essentially have a list of best performing formats and have a list of posts based on the labels that we assign to these posts. So by keeping track of all this information, you essentially are saving yourself hours and hours of looking through your data inside of the Meta Business Suite, which sometimes can be very confusing in finding the best performing posts. And you now have very easily accessible all of this information in one place where you can easily just take any post you want, whether it's a photo, a text, video, whatever it is, and just repost it to your page in a matter of just a few seconds. The best part is that you can keep track of your repost performance as well, something that has never been done before. But now if I just click on any of my best performers, for example, and I scroll all the way down, you can see that the most recent repost got 1,472 reactions, 65,000 views, and it reached 65,000 people. So I can keep track of how my posts are performing every single time that I repost them. Now, if you're a Facebook creator with hundreds of thousands of followers and hundreds, if not thousands of posts, you might be very excited about this tool because this makes it extremely easy for you to manage the content of your Facebook page, to see what's working and to keep track of your best performance, and at the same time, easily repost anything with just one click. And you might be wondering, how can you get access? Well, here's the bad news. this is still in beta phase. This is not publicly available. I'm not planning to make this publicly available, mainly because essentially we're still building and adding features and making this better, but we do give access to our clients inside of the Facebook Creator Academy. If you are a member of my Facebook Creator Academy program, not only do you get access to our training, our community, our coaching calls, but now you also get access to Repost HQ, which allows you to connect it to your Facebook page and start using it while we actually make it better and continue to improve this tool. And this will give you all the tools and resources that you need to make sure you make as much money as possible from your Facebook page. So if you're interested in learning about how to join Facebook Creator Academy and how you can apply, click the link in the description below for more information. And I know some of you guys might be disappointed because I'm not making this publicly available yet. And it's mainly because we are gonna work over the next several months to make this the best tool that we can possibly make it, and wanna make sure that we fix all the bugs and all the things inside of this tool and continue to improve upon this tool to make it something truly unique and something that can really help creators on Facebook make more money. And Facebook continues to make changes to their monetization program. And so if you haven't watched my latest video talking about the new changes that Facebook has made, click right here, watch that video next, because it's gonna explain what to expect over the next several months when it comes to getting monetized on Facebook and how you can take advantage of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.